Hi, I'm Sue Grant from Berthon, and we're in the main saloon of VALENT Oyster 55. She's all set up for Bluewater, lots of new kit, generator, lithium-ion, you name it, she's got it. Furling rig, she's taken the current owners far. She's a very, very cool yacht. Okay, so we're going to have a start looking at VALENT on the dock. Notice her fabulously shiny topsides. Literally just out of the box from the waterline to the gunnel. She is looking very, very good indeed. From 1998. She had the Oyster 53-55 extension on her transom in 1999. Which gives you a fantastic sugar scoop and also extra storage. There it is. Copper coat beneath the waterline. It was done in 2020. It's recently been burnished, so no anti-fouling to do. Mid boarding gates. And on we hop, and we will go forward first. She's got her dinghy on the foredeck. It's an AB Hyperlon from 2024. There's a 6 horsepower outboard that goes with it. The anchor windlass is 2019 and it's a V45 CQR on the front. She's also got a spare anchor. And she's in cutter. Stowaway rig, double spreaders. She's got runners, but it's only for forestay pump for the inner stay. And look at these lovely decks. They're flexi teak. It was done in 2020 and they will simply never wear out. Always look good. They just need to be kept washed. The rig was down on the ground and she has 2021 standing rigging. The running rigging has been uprated as needed. It was recently on the ground and checked when she had the topsides repaint, so it's all good to go. She's got hood sails. She's also got a Code Zero from 2022, one sails mainsail from 2022. She's got a 2023 parasailer. She is therefore good to go. Lumar winches. This is this great aft deck. You can see the outboard just there. And you've also got this place for the petrol for the outboard, which is really useful. Good steps down. She's got a Watt & C for power generation, which just clips on. Antenna there, together with the inevitable Starlink. That's new. Gin and tonic seats. All of her safety gear is on point. She's got Lumar winches. The primaries are electrified and were replaced 2020. Together with the halyard winches on the companionway top. Everything comes back into the cockpit, so she's really easy to manage for short cruise. Robust spray hood, plenty of protection, good bimini. New Ray Marin from 2020 and later. So that's Axiom I-70 and also the Evolution autopilot. We'll just have a look because she's also got really good solar on the top here. All of her electrical setup is recent, with recent Wells batteries and also smart charging. It's all 2023. And now have a look at this. This is classic Oyster. In honey teak and holly sole boards. Deck saloon means that light absolutely floods in. It's just a great space to be. She's not a new yacht, but she's a very comfortable Bluewater cruising yacht. The ship's wiring has been mainly redone. She's got LED lighting, fusion for entertainment. Proper chart table. See the SSB there. She's also got SAT. That's pretty much overtaken by the Starlink, I think. Beneath the floorboards is the Fisher Panda, which is 2025. It's got 10 hours. And now we're going to have a look at the galley. 4-10 cooker with 4 burners, microwave, loads and loads of work surfaces, twin sink in stainless steel. This is a really good galley. And the refrigeration is keel cooled, and that was replaced 2023. Works really well. There's a really good connection between the galley and the main saloon, and also easy access to get up and hand food up into the cockpit. And through into the owner's cabin. To starboard, your left is a full-length berth, and then there is a double berth to port. Lots and lots of opening ports for ventilation. Lots of storage. Really nice place to spend time. And there is the table for the cockpit, which is a really good storage area. Overhead hatch. And then we go into one of her 2 rather blue loos. So all in good condition. All looks lovely. Lots of light, separated shower stall. Everything's up to date in terms of plumbing. The thing that's amazing about this yacht is that everything that moves is either new or been completely serviced. So from the perspective of actually crossing oceans, she's completely ready to go. So now we'll have a look at the forward accommodation. Go through a watertight bulkhead. You may have noticed the one going into the owner's cabin. She was originally built with a more commercial idea in mind, so she's got a lot of berths potentially. Nice upper and lower berth cabin. Again, lots of light, lots of ventilation. And then we'll move to starboard, and she's got the mirror image here. And then there's another watertight bulkhead to go through into what was originally designed to be crew cabin with 2 berths. But these days it's the best place to keep everything that she needs for Bluewater cruising, with good access onto the deck. You can see the steps going up through that big hatch. So there we go, and we go back through this starboard cabin. Just love the simplicity of this yacht. And here is the second heads compartment, just as blue as its brother. Shower and loo, nice size, also doubles as a dayhead. And then back into this main saloon, which just is charming. and large. The table flips over if you want to have that many people to dinner. Headlinings are all in good shape. Beneath our feet are batteries, and then we go into another upper and lower berth cabin potentially, which these days has the washer dryer charging and is a workshop area, which is just so useful to have. That Combi Master is recent. And there's access both sides of the companionway to the main engine, which is a Nanny 115. It's the same age as VALENT is. It's done approximately 4,000 hours, had a big service recently, has never missed a beat. Looking very good. So, VALENT Oyster 55, perfect for family world cruising.